We at Sage Advisory believe that there are three things that basically set us apart. One is that we are a very seasoned organization. We've been working with ETFs since 1998. This is our 20th anniversary this year, so essentially since the beginning of the firm, we've been involved with the medium. Second thing is that we're very structured. We have a macroeconomic top-down structure in terms of our philosophy and our approach and process, and it's worked time in and time out, season in, season out. And the third thing is that we really like to work with what we believe are seasoned, well-crafted ETFs that have stood the test of time. And we believe in novelty and new things, but we like track-tested and proven technology in the ETF space. Our focus at Sage Advisory is simply this: the client. The first thing is that we try to build our strategies so that they can be an all-season strategy. They're risk-constrained, but they're very much involved in the broad asset classes. So we have an all-cap equity strategy, we have a core fixed income strategy, and then we blend those together for risk strategies or target date strategies. But we're even more client-centric because what do we try to do? Understand the utility of the money, and so we will craft solutions for cash balance plans, for defined benefit plans, for DC plans, very client-centric, very solution-oriented in the use of the ETF technology. At Sage Advisory, what we try to do with those advisors that are very involved with the ETF medium is we try to present strategies that we think that they can use day in and day out. So we want to be that core manager, whether on the equity side or on the core fixed income side. But beyond that, we want to understand the utility function that their clients are trying to extract from the investment process. So we will help to educate in areas such as defined benefit plans, target date funds, and even in areas like ESG, where we're introducing a series of new ETF-only strategies. We create better portfolios at Sage because we do our research. That's the first thing. We don't buy fads. We don't buy the latest new thing. We wait for things to get seasoned. We look at how things are traded. We look at what the sponsor brings to the marketplace in terms of education, knowledge, support for that particular product. And as a good fiduciary, it's incumbent upon us to make sure that we are doing all the research that we possibly can on every provider, on every ETF, in every area of the market. And as a result, we narrowed down something on the order of over 2,500 ETFs into a list of roughly about 100 ETFs that we think are meeting our criteria and meeting the tests that we put before ourselves and before the market in order to attract our money, or the money that we're managing on behalf of our clients as fiduciaries.